In this video, I will be showing you how to make an animated presentation with Gamma AI. I'll start with my presentation open in the editor, where I have my slides ready for some dynamic visual impact. To begin adding motion, I'll explore the different methods Gamma offers for generating AI animations. First, I can use the slash command by clicking on a card, typing /animations, and selecting AI animations from the drop-down menu. This is a quick way to insert motion exactly where I need it. Alternatively, I can use the insert menu on the right-hand side. I just click the image icon and choose the AI animations option to open the generator. If I'm starting a project from scratch, I can even set the image source to AI animations within the customization settings before generating the entire deck. Note that this specific creation feature is currently available for Ultra users. When I'm in the editor, I simply enter a detailed text description of the animation I want to see, such as this prompt for a fairy in a magical forest. I have the flexibility to adjust the aspect ratio and select different image models to refine the look. Once everything is set, I click Generate to produce the animated result. I can then easily edit, crop, or regenerate these visuals using the toolbar that appears when I select the animation. This allows me to perfectly sync my visuals with the theme of my presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making an animated presentation with Gamma AI.